Welcome to this technical guide on the MacBook A2992. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, it's likely that the screen on your MacBook A2992 is cracked and hard to use. This can happen due to drops, pressure or simply age. If not repaired in a timely manner, the crack can worsen and may lead to further damage, affecting your overall user experience. To successfully replace the screen, you will need a few tools. Gather a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a suction cup, a plastic opening tool, and of course, the replacement screen. Now, let's start with the repair. First, make sure your MacBook is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using the P5 pentalobe screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom of the laptop. Keep them in a safe place so you don't lose them. Once you've removed the screws, use the suction cup to gently lift the bottom casing. Be careful not to apply too much force as there are cables connected inside. After you have successfully opened the MacBook, locate the cracked screen. You will see several screws holding it in place. Use the T5 Torx screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. As you do this, take extra caution not to touch any other components nearby, as this could cause damage. After removing the screws, gently disconnect the display cable using your plastic opening tool. This step requires patience, as the cable can be quite delicate. Once it's disconnected, you can remove the cracked screen. Take your new screen and carefully connect the display cable first before securing it with screws. Ensure everything is aligned properly to avoid any future issues. Tighten the screws gently, they should be secure but not overly tight. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to close your MacBook. Align the bottom casing and press it down gently. Replace the screws at the bottom to secure it back in place. Finally, power on your MacBook and check to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. To avoid this issue from occurring again, consider investing in a screen protector or a sturdy case. Additionally, try to handle your device with care and avoid placing heavy objects on top of it. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.